In the deserts of the American Southwest, the venomous rattlesnake commands attention. Known for the signature rattle at the end of its tail, this reptile serves as both a warning and a defense mechanism. Rattlesnakes use their heat-sensing pits to detect prey, which they immobilize with a potent venomous bite. These snakes are masters of camouflage, blending in perfectly with the arid landscape. Their ability to strike swiftly and accurately has made them both feared and respected by those who live in or explore the desert, or the